In this video, I'll show you how to remove a contact from a tag in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and at the bottom you want to click on the sixth option, which is Audience. Once you are on the Audience section, you will automatically see the list of all of your contacts. Now, what you can do in order for you to make this easier is at the top, you can click on the third filter, which is Tags. And at the bottom, you can simply choose the tag in which you want to delete an audience to. Let's say we want to delete someone from donors. And once you choose that tag, it will automatically refresh the table. And as you can see, it will list down all of the audiences or all of the contacts that has the donor tag. Now, in order for you to remove an audience from a tag, what you need to do is simply head over to that audience or the contact. On the left-hand side, you want to click on the checkbox. And at the top, you want to click on the first option, which is Tag Contacts. Once you do that, you want to head over to the bottom and click on Choose Action. And at the bottom of Choose Action, click on Remove Tags. And once that's done, at the top, you want to simply choose the exact tag. Mine will be donors. And at the bottom, it will automatically say that one tag will be removed from the selected contact. If you are sure, head over to the bottom in the right corner and click on Apply. And once you click on apply, it will automatically remove that person from that tag. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.